Get bar defense in 8 simple steps. If the 21-page crazy legalese-filled bar defense application does not scare the bejesus out of you, then skip this video. However, it's rarely about the time it takes to complete the application as much it is about understanding these 8 simple steps. So here they are. Learn about the application with as many free resources, like studentaid.gov and ours. Second, understand the 8 criteria and claim categories to qualify. Explore what evidence to gather, fill out the application completely, craft a strong narrative, avoid the common pitfalls. 7, submit and confirm. And 8, just manage those expectations on when to get a reply. Those are the 8 simple steps. Now let me detail these steps with some more context. I'm Kat. We've helped hundreds of borrowers qualify for bar defense and with all the other student loan federal programs as well. If you like content like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you'd like more information on bar defense or have specific questions. Now let's dive in. 1, start with free available resources like studentaid.gov. There's also very trustworthy legal aid societies, student loan borrower assistance program, and of course videos like ours here at Loan Sense, okay? Number 2, understand the 8 claim categories. The biggest one, misrepresentation of employment prospects. The second, the quality of the educational services. The third is the ability to transfer credits to another school for another degree. The cost of the program or the nature of the loans you'll be taking out. Like they'll say you have tons of scholarship, right? But then it ended up costing more. Degree requirements. I'll go into the details later. Deceptive recruiting practices, as well as applying pressure to apply quickly, breach of any contracted terms the school specified, and of course another category. Those are the 8 categories. Choose the strongest category that is relevant to you, that you can provide evidence, and dive deeper into those categories. Number 3, gather your evidence. Collect what you can. Transcripts, enrollment agreements, emails, brochures, screenshots, anything, even an online web flyer that falsifies the prospects of employment, okay? That's really important. You can go back and use tools like the Wayfinder machine to gather historic evidence that they had posted. There's also Facebook groups. We have tons of evidence we help people with, my team. There's no such thing as too much evidence. Just keep it organized. Tip number 4, fill out the sections that you're claiming the school has deceived you completely. A lot of people will make a claim, a generic claim. They won't fill out how it impacted them, the negative impact. So fill out the sections completely, okay? The application actually has 9 sections. It's 21 pages. And there are mandatory sections, okay? The sections that you're not making claims can be left blank if they do not apply to you. It's not critical you fill out every single line in the application, but knowing what's mandatory and what's not is key. And of course, when you fill it out, craft a really strong narrative. Like when describing misrepresentation, be very specific. Like they said, I would make $100,000 upon 6 months upon graduating from these 5 employers that have a relationship with the school. That's very specific, rather than saying they would just promise me a higher paying job, okay? So craft a strong narrative, provide evidence for that narrative. And you can even Google online to see who else had a negative or similar experience that you could use, see what evidence they gathered, right? 6, avoid the common pitfalls. We have a video we'll link right here, the 5 common pitfalls. Watch that, because that's why people get their applications declined, okay? For example, I'll have you watch that video. Submit and confirm. This is a huge mistake people do. They get so inundated with the time it takes to apply, they don't end up submitting the application because they get so overwhelmed. It can be submitted online through studentaid.gov or by certified mail. Keep a copy of everything and have proof that you apply to the program. And of course, 60 days post-application, confirm that it has been received. That's really important. 8, last but not least, manage expectations and stay engaged. Even if it's months or years later, the forgiveness timeline can be up to 3 years. The point is, we have a free resource, by the way, linked in the description that you will be able to see based on your school and when you apply, when you can expect a decision from the Department of Education. We have a free, amazing resource. You can check that out. It's in the link in the description below. Now, this is my call to action to you. Do you want our team of experts to see if we can submit a strong and complete application for you to see if you qualify and or need assistance with evidence? Consider booking a free 15-minute consult. Either way, you'll leave with some very valuable free resources.